Assalamu alaikum. Grade 5 Unit 10 Forces. Force is a push or pull, and next topic is mass and weight. Students, mass of an object contains its matter of an object have, so it is measured in kilogram. On earth the mass of object is the same as its weights, but in space this become be changed. If an object goes into a space, its weight will be changed due to the gravity. Now, definition of weight. The amount of gravitational force acting on an object, it is measured in newtons. For example, the lower the force of the gravity acting on it, this means that the weight of decreases and the force of gravity in the space of an object has weights at all. Just like this cricket ball, if it is present in the space, it has not changed its mass because it still has exactly the same amount of matter, but the weight of its become changed. Now, in your notebooks, page number 87, and the answers are 87. Write a paragraph about Isaac Newton and the incident that got him thinking about the force of gravity. You will have to do some research. The legend is that Newton discovered this gravity when he saw a falling apple. While thinking about the force of nature, Newton realized that some force must be acting on falling objects like apple. Now the next question, what is difference between mass and weight? Mass is the amount of matter changed in an object. It is measured in kilogram, symbol kg, and weight is the amount of gravitational force acting on an object. It is measured in newtons. Next topic, balanced and unbalanced forces. Some forces are balanced: buoyancy, gravity, friction, and air resistance, and these are definitions of this. Gravity, force that acts in water; buoyancy, force that acts in water; gravity, force that keeps us on the earth; and friction, that slows or stops the objects; and resistance, motion against motion in the air. Unbalanced forces, inertia and normal forces. When these forces known as the normal forces, this is because that operates when two still objects are in contact with each other. These are known as the balanced forces. Now test yourself. Unit 10 review questions, page number 89, and the answers are: what is an unbalanced force? Example: when two forces acting on an object are not equal in size, they are unbalanced forces. For example, on moving football, look at the object on your table. Explain what force are acting on to keep it still: inertia and normal force. Third question, describe the following forces giving example. A part, buoyancy, force that works in water; gravity, force that keeps us on earth; friction, force that slows or stops object; air resistance, resistance against motion in the air. Now the last question, what happens to astronauts? Weight and mass. When they are traveling in space, the mass remains same, but the weight has changed because less gravity is present in the space. Thank you.